Alright, we're on quiz 206, example 2. We're given that line AB and that angle 1 and angle 4 are complementary angles. We're going to prove that angle 2 and angle 3 are complementary angles. So what we're looking for is what statements best represent the information that should be in the boxes labeled 4, 8, and 9. So first, we're going to look at 4. So above that is line AB, and then below that is the substitution property of equality. So something had to be substituted here. Okay, well I know that line AB is here, and it is made up of angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're looking for angle addition postulate. The one that matches that, angles 1, 2, 3, and 4, equal the measure of angle ACB. That one goes there. And now 8, once again, we are substituting, combining these two in the flow chart. So we have the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 90. And then somewhere we're substituting here, we'll notice the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 4 right here. We can substitute 90 for that because that's what they're equal to. So that is that one. And then subtraction property of equality. So they subtracted 90 degrees on both sides, and that gave them the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 90.